Welcome back. In this second of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to install Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, on Ubuntu Linux 22.04. Next. Start by opening the link in the description for the CBD support page. From there, click the Downloads tab. Select the latest Ubuntu version available. At the time of this filming, that version is 2.8.1 for Ubuntu Jammy. Click the download icon. Open a terminal window and switch to superuser mode using the command sudo su, followed by entering your password. To verify your Ubuntu version, use the command lsb_release-a, which should match the version specified on the Cisco website. In my case, that is version 22.04. Here, type the command ls to see what folders are available. I can see the Downloads folder. To navigate to it, type the command cd downloads. In the folder, use the command ls to see the file you downloaded. To run the CBD installation, type the command sh, followed by the file name, and press enter. It will first verify the signed sh file that was downloaded, uncompress the CBD software package, and start the installation process. It will take some time, but when it progresses, you can see that it has successfully verified the signature of the Cisco Business Dashboard file and is now uncompressing the CBD software package. It appears to have been installed successfully and is starting the CBD service. To see the IP of this system, type the command ifconfig. You can see the IP displayed. To access the dashboard, open a browser and enter that IP address. It may present a certificate error. Accept the risk and continue. Now you can see the dashboard initializing. This will take some time. Once the initialization is done, the login page will show. Enter the default username and password of Cisco in all lowercase letters to log in for the first time. After clicking on the Login button, it will prompt you to change the username and password to something more secure. Once they have been changed, click Save. To complete the setup, click on Next. Setting up the network portion is similar across different platforms, so I've not detailed those steps in this video. You can go step by step by clicking Next. Otherwise, you can click Finish and go back to it later. I'll click Finish. This pop-up message is a reminder that there is no network. That can be added later. You can navigate to the different menus on the Cisco Business Dashboard. This is the dashboard page. I'll cancel the reminder pop-up window again for now. When you're ready, you can start installing, adding your network, and discovering devices. There you have it, the main process of deploying the Cisco Business Dashboard in a Linux environment. Before I go, I want to show you two important commands you may need if you ever want to remove CBD from Linux after it's been installed. They can be found right here in the Linux installation guide. The first command removes CBD and all its dependencies from the Ubuntu system while retaining the dashboard's configuration. The other completely removes CBD, its dependencies, and configurations from the Ubuntu system. I'll demonstrate the execution of this second command. First, I'll copy the second command and head back to the terminal. Although it's not required, I'll log out first. Then I will execute the command. It will ask for confirmation that I'd like to continue. I'll respond yes. It will take some time to remove the Cisco Business Dashboard completely from the system. Now the Cisco Business Dashboard has been completely removed. If I try to access the page, it will give an error that it is unable to connect. There you have it. This concludes our walkthrough of deploying Cisco Business Dashboard on an Ubuntu Linux environment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.